Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 18th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on gold, boy, gold has been very, very, very choppy for a while now on the 1 hour time frame. Very, very choppy, very indecisive. To me, it definitely looks like impulsive down, like it's potentially either a wave A or a wave one. I still think there's a good chance it's going to go up and take out all these highs for either like a wave B or a wave two. And it seems like at some point it is going to go down and either make a wave C, which a wave C would potentially just go to the 61 or the 78% and then continue the uptrend, or possibly it's going to make a wave three, which a wave three still may bounce from fib levels, but it will not give you a break of structure, and then potentially will just keep on going down for a wave three. Now, today is interest rate news, the FOMC interest rate news for the US dollar, which is a very big news event. And I will be live streaming on YouTube for that news event, so definitely make sure you stop in and check that out for my latest view on your favorite pairs. But anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.